Today I'm going to teach you how to make like a catching game where you can move this ball around and then the apple should fall and then you can collect points when the apple touches the ball. So let's get started. First, let's rename this to you know what? Let's name it apple. No, let's name it raining apples. Okay. So first, the ball, when green flag clicked, forever, an if-else statement, and then grab another, and then grab an if. Now go to sensing, grab a key space, duplicate, put it there, make it to right arrow and left arrow. So when you do the right arrow, it should move 10 steps, and then left arrow minus 10. So if we try it now, look, our ball is moving. Now let's do it for the apple. When green flag clicked, we want the original one to hide, and then forever we want to create a clone of myself, and then maybe wait 1.2 seconds. You can wait longer. It's your choice. The longer you wait, then the easier the game will be. So, when I start as a clone, I want to show, and then we want to go to a random position. Now we need to set the Y. Wait, so we need to put the apple here. So the Y 174. So set the Y to 174. So now, no, actually, no, we should do 165. So now repeat until we are touching the ball. We want to change Y by minus, you know what, 7 for now. And then we want to make a variable now. Let's first delete it, make a variable score. Then another if. So put this change score by 1 there. So if we are touching the ball, then we can change score by 1, and then we can delete this clone. Wait, and then you need to set the score to 0 when green flag clicked, or else you could be cheating. So now let's try it out. Yay, it's working. Oh, that's another thing we need to do. Now I forgot. Repeat. We need to also add an or we're touching the edge. Then we also need to delete this clone. Now let's also just add a backdrop. I'll just choose the blue sky for now. Now let's try it. Let's try it now. Wait, so sorry. Yeah, forgot to add something. You also need to you need to make it a bit lower because originally it was touching the edge over here. I made it a bit too high. Sorry, I made a little mistake. About 145. then delete this clone. Wait, let's try it now. Great, it works. That's it for this tutorial. Hope you come back later for more.